Here we go. We have a question anagram. It's a pretty basic level question. You have given two strings s1 and s2 containing only lowercase letters. So the maximum length is 26. We have only 26 characters. And the task is to check whether two given strings are anagram or not. So what is an anagram? An anagram of a string is another string that contains the same character. Only the order character can be different. So anagram is having same characters but having same frequency, but order can be different. For example, ACT and TAC is anagram because A frequency is 1, C frequency is 1, and T frequency is also 1. So this is different. This is a different configuration of ACT. So we can say it's an anagram. So you can assume both this string S1 and S2 are non-empty. So we have this and this. G frequency is 1, E frequency is 2, K frequency is 1, S frequency is 1. So we have anagram. So in this case, A frequency is 1, L frequency is 2, E frequency is 1, R frequency is 1, G frequency is 1, Y frequency is not 1. So this is not anagram. G's frequency is 1, so this is anagram. So as we already know, we only have lowercase character, so we only have 26 different characters. So I have taken 26 length of array. You can either take map or array. So here we know the size, so that's why I'm using array. Suppose we got geeks and we got this. So we have G. What we'll do, we will assign for A index 0, for B index 1, for C index 2, and that's how it will work for Z index 25. So what we'll do, suppose we have a string ABC. So this is a string, first character is A. If I subtract A, we got 0. So that's how we got our character. Then if we go to B, so we subtract B, what we got? We got 1. So if we subtract character from character, what's the difference between this character and this character in alphabetical order? The difference character is 1. B is greater than by just one value. So if we got C, we got 2. So we got 2. So that's how we can assign each character to a particular index. So if we go to G, so let's take a random index. I am not calculating the index. So let's take G itself. Uh, in a real case scenario, this is not G. This is a simple index, either 14 or 15, I think. So let's not talk about this. I am taking G itself. We have to increment 1. After that we got E. So A, B, C, D, E. So E will be here. I will increment 1. Then we again got E. I will increment. Then we got K, F, G. G is here. So let's assign G here. F, G, H, I, J, K. So K will be here. So its frequency is 1. Then we got S. S frequency is 1. So we have iterated in string 1. Let's iterate in string 2. Whenever we found a character, we will decrement frequency. We got S. So the S character is this. We will decrement the frequency. We got K. We will decrement the frequency. We got G. We will decrement the frequency. We got E. We will decrement the frequency. Then we again got E. We will decrement the frequency. So if every cell contains 0, means the same character is present in S1 and S2. If we got a extra character here, let's suppose A. So its frequency is 1, but here A is not there. So the value still stays positive. So if value is not 0, we have to return. If value is not 0, we have to return false because this is not an anagram. Instead of this A, we got here A. So for this, we got -1. We got -1 because we are decrementing for S2 and we are incrementing for S1. So if we got any negative value, if value is not equal to 0 means either is character um, is one more or one less. So we just need to return false. This is not anagram. So let's code this. It's a pretty basic question. We got a DP or an array. Then we have to iterate in string 1. So we cannot iterate using for each loop. We have to first convert into character array. Then we got characters. After getting the character, just decrement character A. So then we got index. So here I am incrementing the particular index. For string 2, we have to decrement the index. After that, we just need to check in the DP if value is not 0, just return false. Otherwise, return true. So that's about the question. Let's give it a try. Let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, the time complexity will be order of maximum between n and m, and space complexity is 26, or we can say it is constant. So let me connect to the internet. So we are back online. So let's submit this, and the code is provided in the description box, and let's find out if my code will work fine or not. So it is working till now. Yes, it is successfully submitted. Thank you all for watching.